Bored with the look of this door, I decided I'm going to add a pop of color to it. I had some leftover pink paint from my previous place, and I decided since I'm putting pink curtains in the dining room and living room, I might as well put a pop here. So here is the door painted. Then I decided to add some washi tape to it for design. I could not decide if I wanted to add stripes to the door or not, so this is what I did for now. Then I got bored with that and decided to order some chalkboard contact paper and put that up, which did not last long, as you can see. So here's where I added the washi tape again, trying to try a different design. And that wasn't satisfactory for me, so I decided to change that, as you will see here. I decided to go to Home Depot and get some chalkboard paint, so what I'm doing is trying to measure out how big of a chalkboard I want to put on this door, because that other contact paper wasn't working out. I could not write on it. I tried to season it, it didn't work. So I decided to get some real chalkboard paint and see how that works. So here I'm trying out my lines using the level, and then once I get the square or the rectangle design that I want, then I will start the paint process. First I have to tape it off with my frog tape. I decided to do about 4 inches from the corner of the door, measuring 4 corners from each corner of the door so I can get a even measurement all the way around, if I'm explaining that correctly. I'm wiping off the excess pencil marks. Now I'm taping it off. As you can see here, I'm taping above the line, on the outside of the line. Now I'm ready to paint. Okay, as you can see, I'm pouring some of the paint into my paint tray. I'm not wearing any gloves because I was too lazy to go and put some on. This is a quick job and it's really not that messy. It washes off with soap and water. As you can see, I made a mess pouring it out, so I have to wipe the excess off. Looking at my hair, My gray needs a root touch up, and the shrinkage is real. Believe it or not, my hair is almost at my waist, but you would know it by looking at that. I know this has nothing to do with what I'm doing here, but I couldn't help but mention that. I'm applying the first coat. And then you can add as many additional coats as you want. The door is now dry. I'm going to peel this frog tape off, and I'm going to let it sit for about 3 days before I season it with chalk. And then, as you can see, I put the washi tape at the bottom, but knowing me, I'll change my mind again. I hope you enjoyed my video, and don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe.